Hello friends, hope you're fine. You're most welcome in our mathematics class. Here we're going to do one topic today, that is find the values of following when x is equal to 1, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 4. One number 2x. Here after 2 there is no sign, it means there is a multiplication. So 2 into x, or to multiply x, we know x's value is 1, that's why 2 into 1, and the answer will be 2. We will write here this way, answer 2. Now two number 6x. We know the x's value is 1, so that's why 6 into x. So we will now put the x's value 6 into 1, and the answer we will get 6. So 2 number question's answer is 6. We will write this way, answer 6. Now 3 number 15x. How we will do? Same way, 15 into x, and we know the x's value, that is 1. So 15 into 1, so answer is 15. We will write this way, answer 15. 4 number is a by 3. A by 3 means a divided by 3. So how we will do? We will just put the a's value above 3. So we know a is equal to 2, so that's why 2 by 3. Actually this is the answer. So answer will be 2 by 3. Now 5 number 3a minus 1. We know the value of a, but we are writing this way, 3 into a minus 1. Now we will put the a's value, and that is 3 into what? 3 into 2 minus 1. So 3 2's are what? 6 minus 1. Answer will be 5. We will write answer 5. Now it is the turn of 6 number. We will do same way. Here we will just put a's value. We know a's value what? We know a's value is 2 plus 1 divided by 3. So here we are getting 3 by 3. If we divide 3 by 3, we will get 1 in this place, or we will cut this way, we will find 1. Answer is 1. Today up to this, today we have done up to 6 number. There are some more sums are left, 7 to 15. Next day we will do, but for that day, these are your homework. You will try to do at your home this way. I think you will get the answer. If you don't get, don't be worried. We will help you in the next class. Bye for today.